Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing TM6 and border runs in Thailand. For those who are unaware, I make and I've been told it's a bit of a semantic point, but I make a differentiation between what I call a border run and a visa run. So a visa run, to my mind, is you leave Thailand or whatever country you're in, you go to an embassy of Thailand, you get a new visa, and you come back to Thailand. A border run is when you literally cross the border physically and then walk right back in, or shortly after leaving, come back in order to gain a new stamp to grant lawful status here in the kingdom. So for example, if you get a visa exemption stamp, you leave Thailand by border, by land, you cross out, you cross back in, and they give you, for example, another 30 days for if you're an American. And different nationalities have different levels of visa exemption stamps. Most of the Anglosphere, the English-speaking world, and Europe gets a 30-day stamp, and they can get that stamp at a border. Now, I had done videos where I talked about the phasing out of the TM6 card. We'll go ahead and throw up a photo of the TM6 card on this video real quick just to show you. Now, this is the arrival departure card. This was utilized by everybody coming in and going out from Thailand prior to about a year and a half ago, when they effectively phased that out because the biometric system at the checkpoints at the airport basically were fulfilling the function, if you were, of the TM6. Now, I said in prior videos that had been phased out. That isn't exactly correct. So quoting directly from a recent comment on one of our prior videos, the TM6 is still in use. Every land border crossing in Thailand requires it. Only airport arrivals don't. That's correct. And thanks for the comment to the commenter on that particular video. That is a good piece of clarification that's worth pointing out. Yes, the TM6 is still used at borders. I wasn't really thinking of that when I was making the video, and quite honestly, I must admit, if there's a conceit in me, it's usually that I presume we're talking about airport immigration, but that's not always the case. Now, I come by that honestly because we didn't have any border runs going all during COVID. So I got to kind of retrain my brain to think about border running again, because I just didn't have to think about it for going on about 3 years. But long story short, yes, TM6 is utilized when doing a border run over a land border and returning to the Kingdom of Thailand.